Between them, South Korea and Taiwan have a near monopoly on the world's production of processing and memory chips. It's a dominance in a strategic commodity that's been developing over years, but now making itself felt as the world becomes increasingly technology-driven.
But from here on out, it's going to broaden considerably to a chips with everything model inside your fridge, loads of smart semiconductors in your electric vehicles, your cars. So it's going to have an ever-increasing importance going forward.
Like other car makers, this General Motors plant outside Seoul has been experiencing delays because of a global shortage of chips. It's been a wake-up call for many world leaders, but the investment of time and money needed to become a chip maker means South Korea and Taiwan will maintain their lead for years to come. It's a global shortage that's been made worse by the pandemic. When car factories ramped up production again late last year, it coincided with a surge in demand for consumer goods, also needing chips, and a move towards online activities, requiring greater data processing that needs, yes, ever more chips. Frank HUANG is the founder of one of Taiwan's chip manufacturers, whose business has grown as the island has come to dominate the sector.
This is a very important way Taiwan will continue survive, prevail, for Japan, United States, and other European countries. Taiwan is so vital in the technology processor. If we have a problem, the world will have a problem. It's indispensable Taiwan right now.
Taiwan's chips are also indispensable to mainland China, providing it with a so-called silicon shield against Beijing's expansion in the region, but also raising the stakes in the increasing competition between China and the US.
Semiconductor is strong, Taiwan is strong, but it becoming so strong, and so we need to be careful. So it is better to keep it neutral, because if semiconductor or silicon shield, this strength is being used as a weapon, Taiwan will get involved with the conflict between US and China, and that is dangerous.
So there is the potential this is actually going to increase friction. Taiwan's greater geopolitical importance, it has a potential to draw in Washington, Beijing and Taipei into this tri-party conflict and competition.
South Korea's and Taiwan's production mastery of a tiny component that makes any potential conflict in East Asia a matter of global concern. Rob McBride, Al Jazeera, Seoul.